Hey, what's up, guys? This is Fahad, and welcome to BaigBuilds. I'm about to show you something most people don't know exists. A single tool that can replace up to 5 expensive subscriptions. And the best part, you can try it for absolutely free. You know the feeling when you're paying for a website builder, email platform, a course host, a funnel tool, and something for affiliate marketing. It's expensive, messy, and nothing works together. So I found this one platform that does all of this. I've been testing it for weeks, and I'm so convinced that I'm turning it into a full series. Episode 1 is going to show you setting up your account and dashboard. Episode 2, building your sales funnel, adding products, automating email, and so on and so forth. Also, I'm going to add one episode about how to use their affiliate system to make money online. By the end of the series, you'll have a complete digital business setup without needing 5 different logins or a second mortgage. So subscribe so if you don't want to miss the episode 1, which is coming really soon. And I've also made a free checklist to help you follow along the course. And I'll make that list available as soon as the first video goes live, which is happening really soon. So make sure you follow, subscribe, and let's build something better. I'll see you in the first episode.